Hi guys, welcome to Professor Shemba, and today we are going to be talking about index notation. So when we say index notation, what does it mean? For example, let's say I have 3, I give you 3. Now they ask you what is the index notation of 3? Index notation of 3 is simply the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 1. For example, I write 9 and you have to express 9 in its index notation. 9 is the same as 3 multiplied by 3, then which is 3 in two places, that's 3 raised to the power of 2. For example, you are given 81 and you have to find the index notation of 81. 81 is the same as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, because 3 times 3 will give you 9. 9 times 3 will give you 27. 27 times 3 will give you 81. So which is still the same as 3. Then how many, the 3 appear in how many places? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power of 4. For example, find the index notation. If you have to find the index notation of, let's say, 8. The index notation of 8 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That's 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you. So which is still the same as what? Which is the same as 2 raised to the power of 3. For example, find the index notation of 4. 4, index notation of 4 is 2 times 2. So which is still the same as what? 2 raised to the power of 2. Because 2 in what? In two places. But don't forget that, don't ever make this mistake. 2 raised to the power of 3 is unequal to 2 times 3. Because 2 raised to the power of 3, because 2 raised to the power of 3 will give you what? Will give you 8. And 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 will give you 6. So please don't ever confuse 2 raised to the power of 3 as 2 times 3. They are two different things. Or you are trying to confuse it. For example, let's say 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is unequal to 2 times 4. They are not the same thing. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. And 2 times 4 is 8. Please, they are not the same thing. So please don't ever equate it to each other. 2 raised to the power of 4 is simply means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And which is what? Which is 16. Okay, for example, let's say you are given a value. Let's say 2 raised to the power of 6. 2 raised to the power of 6 is the same as 2 in 6 places. That is times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is the same as what? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is what? Is 64. So that is that on index notation. I hope you understand. So thank you. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to also subscribe. Peace.